Vidura College, Colombo, Grade 5, English lesson. Hello, my dear children. Are you ready to learn a new English lesson? Let's see what are we learning today. Okay, children, before we start the lesson, let's see a small video.
I'm the biggest fruit that grows on a tree, as sweet and aromatic as it can be. I hang from trunks and branches high and low, in hot and humid climate I grow. I have a green skin that's spiked, thick and leathery. My sweet yellow pulp is crisp and rubbery. My seeds, when cooked and peeled, make a great meal. Cattle are fed with my peel. Get fiber, energy, nutrients from me. Unripe or ripe, I taste simply yummy. My chips, curries, desserts must be tried by you. I want to know my name from you. You're a jackfruit, aren't you?
Okay, children, I hope you enjoyed the video. So, my dear children, today our lesson is the jack tree. The jack tree. Jack tree is a giant tree grown in many parts of Sri Lanka. It is regarded as one of the most important and useful trees. In ancient times, people used to cultivate jack trees, and almost every garden had at least one jack tree. There are various types of jack trees. Some trees bear very large fruit. It is also called badkasa. It is said that malnutrition among children could be eradicated by giving them jackfruit. It provides delicious fruits and valuable timber. In Sri Lanka, the jack tree has a variety of uses, and in fact, no other edible fruits can compare favorably with it. Jackfruit is used as substitute for rice. The fruit is prepared into various tasty dishes depending on its degree of maturity. They are known by different names. Tender jack, which is known as follows, is famous among Sri Lankans. It is called vegetable meat because it is like meat for those who are vegetarians. Doctors recommended follows for pregnant mothers and those who feed babies because of its nourishing value. Jack seeds are cooked in different ways. It is a tasty curry. Boiling tender or mature jackfruit until cooked and adding pepper, mustard with scraped coconut gives the curry called kosmallum. There is nothing that is wasted in the jackfruit, perhaps the largest edible fruit in the world. Even its thorny bark or outer covering, not used for human consumption, is used as cattle fodder. Jams and jellies are made from the pulp of the ripe fruits. Especially the Varaka variety, and the pulp of the well-mature fruit is excellent for making chips and to be fried. Other than its use as a food, it is used for various other needs. The timber of the jack tree is well known for durability and pleasing appearance. It is widely used for making quality furniture and as a building material. The leaves are an excellent fodder for goats and elephants. The well-dried leaves from excellent fertilizer. As the jack tree grows, covering a vast area, it provides shelter from the hot sun. It helps to balance the environment. Jack leaves are considered as a good medicine for diabetic patients. Due to shortage of land, people are reluctant to grow jack trees. Children, now we should realize the value of these trees as a food supplier among other values. A special project was launched for the first time in Sri Lankan history by Mr. Arthur V. Dias to promote the cultivation of jack trees in an organized manner. The jack is indeed a wonderful gift of nature. It is our duty to protect this valuable tree, which gives us various benefits. Okay children, we have completed our lesson today. Let's see the activity. There are 5 questions which you have to answer true or false. Question number 1. Jack tree is regarded as one of the important and useful tree. Jackfruit is used as a substitute for rice. There is nothing that is wasted in the jack tree. We should not realize the value of this tree as a food supplier. Jack leaves are not good for diabetic patients. Okay children, I hope you understood the lesson today. We will meet again with a new lesson. Stay safe children. Thank you.